2023 Toyota Camry TRD edition V6 body kit, wheels, custom everything. I like it. Toyota really stepped up their game compared to the old Camry that just pulled up. Ha, that's awesome. What we got on this? Converters up there, factory, all factory. Third converter there. Then what we did is deleted the resonator right there. Ran 2.5-inch pipe. Then it runs out to a T with a Y pipe. And then we ran 2 1/4 out the back on this side. This side did a muffler delete on each side of these. And put them some 4-inch blue flame tips there and right there. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it right there, and they come with a J-pipe. That's the J-pipe setup for drone there and there, and that's the mid resonator right there that we took off. All right, so 2 mufflers, resonator, tips, replaced it all, made it look fancy for a beautiful car, as you guys can see like that. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Are those aftermarket lights? Yeah, that looks good. Wow. What do you think? Yes? He's happy. I'm happy. Wow. Here's sound. 118. 118, guys. Wow. Yeah, that sounds really good. Go on and back it up. I think he likes it too much. They still look so cool though, man, for being a Camry, you know? Yeah, they're quick. For what it is, it's not bad. That sounds really nice. Let you guys hear it on the other side. Toyota Camry V6 TRD. Fully straight pipes. Other than the cats, of course. With blue tips. I think he likes it. That's a good looking car. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.